folks, this is Aitan Aja from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the HTC's Desire 628 dual SIM smartphone here with us. As you can see, the dual SIM slots and the micro SD card slot for this one. Micro SD expandable up to 2 TB. On the top you have the 3.5mm jack. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage, 3 GB of RAM, and Android with HTC Sense 7, not the latest one. It supports dual nano SIM, 4G LTE, has a 1.3 GHz octa-core processor, and these are the power button and the volume rocker on the right hand side. It supports Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz band B/G/N. You can see MT6753 chipset on this one, and overall on paper it's an okay smartphone. The pricing is not out for this one as of yet. 2200 mAh is the battery capacity for this smartphone, and as you can see, it comes with a 720p display and 5-inch display. 13 megapixel is the camera. Front camera is the 5 megapixel camera with BSI sensor. Front camera was okay enough on this one, but still there was a lot of grain on this one. And the back camera is decent, but not comparable to other smartphones from HTC. It's just like another normal camera. And as can be seen, the Sensui is almost the same, but it's not the one which comes with Marshmallow. A little bit different from the one seen on Marshmallow versions on the latest ones like HTC 10 and HTC One X9. So HTC Desire 628 dual SIM, okay enough smartphone. So guys, the pricing is not yet completely out for this one. When it's out, we will update you with the full review of this one. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will try to make a full detailed video of this one in case we get our hands on this smartphone. It still runs on Android Lollipop, so that's something bad. If most probably the smartphone would be a mid-range smartphone, or maybe like 12 to 13 or 15,000. So for that price, it won't be justifiable if it isn't with Android Marshmallow. So guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And this is Aitan Aja signing off. Stay inspired to rise.